Hey everyone! Welcome back to our World We Next channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the exciting world of video editing using artificial intelligence. With the advancements in technology, AI has become a powerful tool for enhancing videos and simplifying the editing process. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. 1. Understanding AI video editing. Before we start editing our videos using AI, let's quickly go over what artificial intelligence in video editing actually means. Artificial intelligence refers to the use of computer algorithms and machine learning to automate certain aspects of video editing, such as scene detection, object tracking, and even content generation. 2. Choosing an AI video editing software. To get started with AI video editing, you'll need to choose the right software. There are several options available, such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve, that offer AI-powered features. Today, we'll be using Adobe Premiere Pro as an example. 3. AI-enhanced video editing features. Now, let's explore some of the AI-enhanced video editing features that Adobe Premiere Pro offers. 3.1. Automatic scene detection. One of the most time-consuming tasks in video editing is manually cutting scenes. With AI-powered automatic scene detection, the software can analyze your footage and intelligently split it into individual scenes, saving you a ton of time. 3.2. Object tracking and stabilization. Shaky footage can ruin the viewing experience, but AI can help fix that. By utilizing object tracking and stabilization algorithms, the software can automatically track objects in your video and stabilize them, resulting in smooth and professional-looking footage. 3.3. AI-powered transitions and effects. AI can also assist in creating stunning transitions and effects. For example, you can use AI algorithms to automatically generate and apply custom transitions between scenes or apply artistic filters to give your videos a unique look. 4. Hands-on AI video editing tutorial. Now that we have a basic understanding of AI video editing and its features, let's jump into a hands-on tutorial using Adobe Premiere Pro. 4.1. Importing and organizing footage. The first step is to import and organize your footage in the software's media bin. AI algorithms work best when they have a clear view of your content. 4.2. Automatic scene detection and trimming. Next, we'll use the automatic scene detection feature to split our footage into individual scenes. This will allow us to focus on each scene separately and make precise edits. 4.3. Applying stabilization to shaky footage. Now, let's tackle shaky footage. We'll utilize the object tracking and stabilization feature to automatically stabilize our clips, ensuring smooth playback. 4.4. Adding AI-powered transitions and effects. To make our video more engaging, let's apply some AI-powered transitions and effects. We can experiment with different styles and presets to find the perfect look for our video. 5. Fine-tuning and exporting. Once we've made all the necessary edits, it's time to fine-tune our video. We can adjust color grading, audio levels, and make any additional tweaks as needed. Finally, we'll export our video in the desired format and resolution. Conclusion. And there you have it. Editing videos using artificial intelligence can significantly streamline your workflow and help you achieve professional-looking results. Remember, AI is a tool that complements your creativity, so don't be afraid to experiment and push the boundaries of what's possible. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.